Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best portable mini LED light with clip for YouTubers, bloggers and content creators under $20. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see the product. So this is a video conference lamp by Haution. So on purchasing this portable mini LED light, what you get inside the box. So these are the things you're gonna get when you purchase this product. So on the right side you will get the mini LED light, and here is a clip mount which come inside the box, and here is a type C to type A cable for charging this mini LED light, and here is a user manual. So let us keep it aside. So now you can see the front side is the light glowing indicators, and you will see here on behind here is a power on and off switch, and here is a type C charging port. And here you can see 4 small dots that are for battery indicators, and here is a cold shoe mount. There is a 3 cold shoe mount even on the left side, even on the right side. So there is a total 3 number of cold shoe mount. You can mount different accessories here, and here you can see on the above is a to increase or decrease the brightness. You want to dim or increase the brightness, and you can see the color temperature. You can change it to hot color temperature or cold color temperature or mixed color temperatures. So I'm gonna show you after a few seconds. And at the bottom you'll see here is you can mount under the cold shoe mount. If you have cameras, then you can directly mount just like this. You can directly mount it, and even there is a screw to tighten this so that it stays firm, as you can see here. Can mount it, and even if you have a tripod also, you can mount using this 1x4 thread mount with your tripod just like this. So you can see here. So here you are getting 2 types of mounting system. One is 1x4 thread mount, as well as you can mount using the cold shoe mount also. So now in order to turn on, just press and hold this power button for a few seconds. So you can see here the light is glowing now. So in order to increase or decrease, you can just use this dim towards clockwise or anti-clockwise. So you can increase or decrease. So you can see here. So this is the minimum brightness. So you can see here you can increase it as much as you want. So this is the brightness level, and on the left side you can see here color temperature. Now if you move it to clockwise and anti-clockwise, you can see here the color changes. So you can see here it's warm sided, and if you move towards the, and you can see a cold sided. And even if you place it in the center, you can just get a warm and cold mix also. So depending upon your needs, you can change the color temperature as well as the brightness also. And behind you can see your indicators. That means if you're seeing these 4 indicator lights, that means your has a full battery charge, and you can just charge it by type C port. And if you want to turn it off, just press and hold this button again. Now it will get out. So now if you want to mount it to your respective laptops or mobile phones which does not have a cold shoe mount or the 1x4 quarter mount, then you can use the clip which comes inside the box along with this device. Just insert like this, and you can just tie the screw, and now you are ready to go. And now you can just press this clip, and let me show you. So you can mount like this, and mount this way. So you can see here, so you can mount anywhere, even in your laptops also. You can mount it during your video calls or Zoom calls, whichever you want to use. So in my opinion, it's one of the best portable mini LED light with clip for YouTubers, bloggers and content creators under $20. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.